Hi, welcome back. It was 15th of August 2020. People across India celebrated 74th Independence Day with flying colors. Nevertheless, exactly at 7:29 p.m., millions of Indians' hearts were broken. All of them fell into a state of grief. What for? The former Indian captain and all-time best wicket-keeper of the world, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, proclaimed his retirement. What a tremendous record Dhoni had in the field of cricket. Let us come across Dhoni's biography in a nutshell. Mahendra Singh Dhoni was born on 7th of July in 1981 in Ranchi of Bihar state. Now it is in Jharkhand state. His parents are Pal Singh and Devaki Devi. Dhoni had his schooling and college education in Ranchi itself. He made his international cricket debut with a one-day match against Bangladesh in the month of December 2004. In the very next year, in the year 2005, December, he played his first cricket test match. And he made his T20 debut in the year 2006. And Dhoni rose to his crescendo, winning 3 ICC championships on behalf of India. Under his captaincy, India won T20 ICC championship in the year 2007. Furthermore, India won the World Cup one-day cricket tourney in the year 2011 under the captaincy of Dhoni. Moreover, India also bagged ICC Champions Trophy in the year 2013. And the numbers clearly say how titanic personality of Dhoni in Indian cricket. Dhoni played a total of 350 one-day matches and scored 10,733 runs. Furthermore, he scored 10 runs and 73 half centuries. In the test matches, he played a total of 90 test matches and scored 4,800 plus runs. Moreover, he made 6 centuries. And in T20s, Dhoni played 98 T20 matches and scored 1,600 plus runs. He has a tremendous average strike rate in one-day cricket matches. He maintained more than 50% average in one-day cricket matches. Dhoni received innumerable awards and honors during his professional career. He was the recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. Also, he was honored with India's third biggest civilian honor, Padma Bhushan. Indian military honored him with Lieutenant Colonel. Dhoni's attitude matters. Irrespective of many pressures and burdens shouldered by Dhoni, he would always express tranquility. He would always in a state of peace of mind, and that made him won the applause of millions. Meanwhile, biographical sketch is one of the discourses prescribed for the classes of 6th and 10th. And now we will learn the biographical sketch of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Dear students, you just take a look at the details given based on the biography of Dhoni. Full name, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Birth, 7 July 1981. International debut, December 2004. Career, cricketer, wicketkeeper, and a captain of Indian cricket team. His achievements, victories as a cricketer, awards and honors. Message, dedication and attitude. Let us learn in detail. Look at the biographical sketch of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Mahendra Singh Dhoni is one of the all-time great cricketers across the world. He was born on 7 July 1981 in Ranchi, Bihar, now in Jharkhand state. His parents are Pal Singh and Devaki Devi. He had his schooling in Ranchi. Dhoni made his international cricket debut with a one-day international cricket match against Bangladesh in the month of December 2004. Subsequently, He made his Test cricket debut in 2005 and T20 debut in 2006. Dhoni rose to crescendo, winning 3 ICC championships for India as a captain. India won ICC T20 World Cup tourney in 2007, ICC One Day World Cup tourney in 2011 and ICC Champions Trophy in 2017 under the captaincy of Dhoni. Besides, Dhoni led the Men in Blue win Asia Cup tourneys in 2010 and 2016. In his 16-year-long professional career, Dhoni won innumerable awards and honors. He is the recipient of Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award. The Indian government honored him with India's third biggest civilian award, Padma Bhushan. The Indian military conferred Dhoni with the Lieutenant Colonel's honor. Dhoni stays as cool as a cucumber in spite of immense pressures mounted upon him in the battlefields of cricket. And this peace and tranquility made him acquire the status Mr. Cool. His dedication, determination, perseverance and attitude made him achieve all his goals. Undoubtedly, Dhoni stands one of the all-time best cricketers of the world cricket. Dear students, this is all about the biographical sketch of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. You can also add more content incorporating the statistical data of Dhoni's records such as his centuries, half centuries in one day's test cricket matches and T20s, etc. And I will come up with another interesting topic in my next session. Until then, bye.